Welcome to Tech Vibes. In this video, I will guide you on how to enter the Panasonic Smart TV service menu. Please make sure the TV is powered on and working normally. Use only the original Panasonic infrared remote. Always take photos of the original settings before making changes. Wrong adjustments may cause display or software issues. Now let us start with the service menu access methods. Method 1. Most effective Panasonic service menu code. This is the most widely working service menu method for Panasonic TVs. Keep the TV powered on. Go close to the TV set. Press and hold the volume down button on the TV panel. While holding it, press the info or status button on the remote 3 times. The Panasonic service menu will appear on the screen. If this method does not work, do not worry. Now try the next method. Method 2. Alternative factory menu code. Keep the TV powered on. Press and hold the volume down button on the TV panel. While holding it, press the power button on the remote 3 times. On some Panasonic models, this opens the factory or service menu. Method 3. Hotel or professional TV menu code. This method works mainly on Panasonic hotel or commercial TVs. Keep the TV powered on. Press the menu button on the remote. Navigate to setup or hotel mode settings. Enter the password 0000 if prompted. The hotel or service menu will open. Once you enter the service menu, you will see advanced options. From this menu, you can check panel information and panel type. You can view software version and model details. You can access white balance and panel calibration options. You can enable or disable hotel or demo mode. You can also check error logs and usage hours. Do not change calibration values unless you are a trained technician. Now I will explain how to exit the Panasonic service menu safely. Press the power button once on the remote. Let the TV shut down completely. Wait for 10 seconds. Then turn the TV on normally. This ensures the TV boots without software or display issues. If this video helped you fix your Panasonic Smart TV problem, please give this video a like. Share this video with your friends who may need it. Subscribe to Tech Vibes for more real and practical TV repair solutions. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.